Hi everybody, I have some really awesome, exciting news for you today. If you follow me on TikTok or you follow me on Instagram, you have probably already had a sneak peek, but me and Will are releasing a brand new collection for Lala Hijabs, our hijab line, and this collection is super special to us because not only is it our first collection that contains solid hijab colors, it also has 3 tie-dye colors, and it is a charity collection. So I'm gonna do a try-on of all of the hijabs. You are going to be able to see every single one. You're gonna be able to see the names on screen so you can get excited, and you can start making a wish list. And they will be launching December 15th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on lalahijabs.com. And yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so who doesn't love your typical gorgeous black hijab? Everybody has a black hijab. The material on this, again, just like the most beautiful stitching. You can see the material. I've had so many people ask, there's our tag right there, Lala Hijabs. I've had so many people ask because this is so shiny and the sheen is just so like, oh, satiny. People have asked if this is made of satin on camera before. It is indeed not satin. All of our hijabs are made of cotton jersey, the most stretchy. You can see how stretchy it stretches this way, and it also stretches this way. Very, very soft material, the softest jerseys you'll ever wear. So everybody needs a black. This one is called Kenya. I feel like this one's also going to be a bestseller because it goes with everything that you wear. Okay, so this next one is called Libya. It is a beautiful cream, very kind of like light, kind of earthy, creamy kind of color. It's not off-white, it's kind of like a sand. I don't even know how to describe this one, but it is absolutely beautiful. It is such a staple, and it'll look amazing on everybody. All right, so this one here is called Mali. Mali is one of the first solid colors that I'm showing in our collection. You can see how beautifully our material flows and drapes. It is the softest, honestly, the softest jersey you will ever wear, I'm telling you. It feels like clouds. It is so uber soft and it drapes so beautifully, and you can lay it any way you want. You can wear it as a turban if you want to. You can wear it as a scarf. You can wear it as a shawl. It is so comfortable. This one is a beautiful dark brown, and this one is called Mali. So this hijab is called Zambia. This one has gray and dark brown. It is tie-dye. One thing you'll notice with every single hijab that is in this collection, it is dedicated after a name of a country that is in Africa. And the reason why we did that is because all of the water well projects, for the most part, they're all in Africa, some in Asia as well, but for the most part in Africa. So we really wanted to honor that and reflect it in our hijabs. So this one is Zambia. So if you guys love chai latte from our fall collection, you are going to fall in love with Zambia as well as this one. This one's called Morocco. Morocco is kind of like a light version of chai latte. It's a bestseller on our website, and this one is kind of like taupe and tan mixed together. There's no dark brown in this one. It is very light, super wearable, very neutral as well. Okay, so then we have Rwanda. Rwanda is almost like a stone gray nude, I guess you could say. It's more of a grayish kind of nude tone. It is absolutely beautiful. It's such a staple as well. I feel like all of these are just like your perfect everyday hijab colors. You're going to absolutely love them. So this one, again, it's more of a stone gray, and it's called Rwanda. Okay, so this one is Tunisia. Tunisia is just a pure white hijab. For those of you that wear hijab maybe for work or maybe for school and it has to be a white shade, this is the most beautiful white. Again, same material as all of our other hijabs, just a perfect, simple, very white hijab. All right, so this hijab is going to be the most highly anticipated hijab in this entire collection, simply because I don't think there's anything on the market right now like this hijab. It is so special to us. We hand dyed it. It is kind of like the reverse tie-dye method. You guys are seriously in for a treat. This hijab is called Sierra Leone. It is black and it has almost like, they're kind of like golden toned speckles. They almost look like flowers or the galaxy. It's really hard to tell, kind of. This is going to be probably the most exciting hijab from the entire collection. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention, I should have mentioned this at the start of the video, but what makes this collection so special, the Earth collection so special, is every single hijab sold in this collection, $1 from each hijab sold is going to be donated to Islamic Relief Canada for their water well projects and their water sanitation projects and hygiene kits. So it's a super, super unique and special collection. You guys are going to make a difference in the world. Every single time you purchase one of these hijabs, you can feel good knowing that it's going to impact somebody and someone's going to be able to drink clean water. So this is Sierra Leone, and let's try the other ones on. Okay, and then this last hijab is called Senegal. Senegal is just your perfect nude. It is just a nude shade. It's a nice neutral to wear all the time, and I love it. This is also probably going to be a really popular one because it's like your perfect nude. It's not brown, it's not like beige, it's like just like a perfect nude. You're going to love this. That one is Senegal. Okay, and there you have it. Our Earth collection will launch on our website at lalahijabs.com on December 15th. 2020 at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you set your alarms because I have absolutely no idea how fast these guys are going to be selling out. I have a feeling that Sierra Leone is going to be out real quick, and we are trying to dye as many as we can to try and stock up for the launch. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much for your continuous support, you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below, leave a comment down below, and tell me which design you are most excited about, because we'd love to hear which ones you prefer to have in your hijab collection so that we can continue creating like the best designs for you. And keep in mind, we are eco-friendly. We don't use any plastic in any of our packaging. We're proud to say that we use only compostable materials. We hand dye everything here in Toronto by ourselves. And we are just trying to make an impact in the world and trying to make you feel beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you again next time.